We have a beautiful open house at 313 Elm Street in South Amboy. Come on down. Come on in through the front door, through the living room, right into the kitchen. Around the spacious kitchen, right into an updated bathroom. Beautifully done. Now let's check out the backyard. Oh yeah. Last couple days have been raining, but it's not stopping people from coming out. We already had a line showing up before we got here. It's a busy weekend here at Orange Key. Got multiple open houses going on. A lot of people showing up. The weather's not turning anybody down right now, so come on out. And if you got any questions about any other open houses, give me a call, 732-258-3221. I'm Brian Young with Orange Key Realty. File for more. Don't miss this opportunity on a beautiful cul-de-sac right in the heart of South Amboy.